Alright guys, so we're on the bike trail. Preston got his new bike. He got a new Trex mountain bike with gear, so he's excited to try it out today on the bike trail. I've been riding the Lectric XP, and basically I've been pedaling without the motor being on so far, and went 2.1 miles without the motor even on. Mostly like gear 2, 3, and 4, but just wanted to show you guys a little bit that you can pedal this thing without the pedal assist. And here's Preston on his new bike. He's excited now he has gears. He doesn't have to pedal so fast. How you like it, bud?
Good.
Alright guys, so I just rode 3.5 miles, 2.4 on the Lectric screen on the Relive app, 3.6. So I just rode 3.6 miles without the motor on a slight decline. And I think I'm going to use the motor on the way back. So if you ever ran out of battery power on your electric bike and had to pedal it without the assist of the motor, please place a comment below and let us know what the situation was and what your experiences were with it. Mostly in 4th gear with the new freewheel that I put on. Alright guys, so we just stopped to take a quick break. It's about 5.9 miles in, and I just wanted to show you guys real quick. If you guys do get the electric bags, that's what I'm using here. And I just wanted to show you guys, now you can mount a bag like this on top. It's just a little tricky because you got to have it positioned just right to be able to use the Velcro on this bag to work with the panniers covering the rack. But basically I have like a 6-pack of water in here in a cooler. This side I got some straps and my wife's stuff and some other stuff in there, a lock and stuff. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. If you're using the panniers from Lectric, now they're not the greatest quality, but they will get the job done. And I just wanted to show you guys a real quick thing here that I really like. My frame bag, I'm going to be doing another accessory video here, and I'll probably go over this when I do that video. But this PAS-0 frame bag here has a nice Velcro thing for your phone. I don't like using my phone in here because you can't really get it unlocked with the touch sensor. But what's great about this is you can put a solar charge pack in here. And you can see from the green light here, there it is there, that the green light here, that it's actually charging this pack as it's sitting here. Now, it would probably take a long time to charge that, but it is gaining some charge from the sun that way. And I'm able to plug a cord into there, up into my phone to keep my phone charged, because running that Relive app sometimes drains my phone pretty quickly. But that's just one quick thing I wanted to show you guys. So this is a really nice bag, really nice setup here, with having some storage on the sides. I usually keep my GoPro accessories in my wallet and the frame bag here. But this thing here, when I'm not charging my phone, I usually have this charged just in the rear bag on the back. But when I need my phone charged, I just Velcro that on there, run the cord right up to my phone, and keep it charged up. What do you think about your new bike, bud?
I like it.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What's your goal for today?
15 miles.
15?
Yeah.
All right. You think I can keep up on the Lectric?
Yeah.
What about Mama?
Maybe.
She'll just steal my bike, huh?
Yeah. Here's other tips on what you need. First, a helmet and maybe like gloves.
What about hydration?
Also, you need this.
Got a Camelback with some water. You want to stay hydrated on the hot days, right?
Yeah.
Pretty hot today.
And this, a neck thing.
Oh, what's that do?
It keeps it cold.
Oh, it's a cooling towel.
Yeah.
Keeps you nice and cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, that's right. You want to have your safety gear, especially when you're out with your kids. Make sure you have your helmet. Make sure you have your kids have a helmet on. Some gloves in case they go down. Camelback to stay hydrated. And tell them where they can get this stuff.
We'll put links below if you want to check this out.
Alright, so if you guys are interested in that solar battery pack, that frame bag, or any other accessory that you see on my bike, I'll have everything listed in the description below, all my accessories and everything, so make sure you guys check that out if you're interested. And also, if you found this video interesting or helpful, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you guys get notified of my next video. So let's go ahead and do a few more miles. I'm going to be using the power. Me and my wife will probably switch off a little bit on the bike so that she doesn't get burned out. Maybe one of these days we'll get her a step through or something, but we're gonna go ahead and see you guys in a little bit.
I just went 15 miles and my dad can't even keep up. I'm ready to go more.
Yeah guys, so we just got back on the 15-mile trip. Lectric On the bike it says we went 11.1 miles, but we actually went 15 on the Relive app, and I'll show you guys that video here at the end. My current voltage is 50.6 volts, so barely used any battery. I'm still showing full bars on the battery and 50.6 volts. I did pedal a lot. Like I said in the beginning, first few miles I didn't even use the motor at all. On the way back I pedaled a little bit as well, but used the motor and throttle only a lot on the way back. All right guys, so he wanted to go a little bit further, so we're gonna try a few more miles, but look what happened. She kicked me off. Now I'm riding this. That's all right. Maybe she can get a step through one of these days. She said it seems like the handlebars are a little too far forward. I have been looking at some other options as far as a little bit of handlebars that kind of come back cruiser style. Maybe just a little bit wider ones, so we'll see. I might upgrade those, and if I do, I'll do a video on that. But come on, bud.
Bunch of honeysuckle through here.
Yep. Don't forget to let us know in the comments below, guys, what your opinion is on pedaling this bike without the assist of the motor. Also, I was thinking about getting my wife a step through, so if you guys have any suggestions on what you guys think she might like, or anything that you would like to see reviewed on this channel, please place some suggestions below and maybe I'll check them out. Man down.
Come get it.
What do they taste like?
You never had a honeysuckle?
No?
Taste like anything?
Yeah, it tastes good.
Going down.
Yeah.
And go get your feet wet.
All right, guys, so now we're done. We went 20 miles, 20.2. So what do you think, bud?
It's very tiring.
Very tiring.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Unless if you're in gear 1 and there's not a lot of hills.
Yeah. So Preston likes the Trek caliper, his new Trek caliper 2020 bike. Finally got some gears there. Now, I'll show you guys here. We went 20.2 miles on the Relive app. It took 2 hours 45 minutes with an elevation gain of 833 feet. On the Lectric it says we went 15.2 miles and I have 49.1 volts of battery left, which is over half. So this time completely on the bike trail, went 20.2 miles actual and have well over half a battery left. So normally I only get around 20 to 25 miles around my house, but definitely got way further here just on the bike trail. If my wife and son had more energy, we would have went a lot further, but I just wanted to share some of that information with you guys. And I also want to show you, I'm sure you guys already know I use the Overdrive Sport bike rack, and I just wanted to show you guys, I secure it to the car really good with this Kryptonite Evolution chain lock, and it wouldn't fit through these holes here because this chain's a beast. So basically I got a heavy U-lock here and chained it through there right to the hitch. So if somebody wanted to steal this bike rack, they would have to either cut the chain off, or, which you're not going to cut this with any bolt cutters, you would need a grinder to cut that off. So if they wanted to take this, they would have, it also has a locking hitch pin, so they would have to cut that and the chain off. So when you're out for a few hours, it's good to lock your rack to your car as well, just for extra security. So we're gonna go ahead and get loaded up and get out of here. Then you can just pick up the back wheel, put it in. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. All right, so if you look at the terrain graph in the upper left-hand corner, you can see this is just a slight decline, and this up until this point was where I was pedaling without the motor assist. And then from here on, I used a combination of PAS-0 and then with the motor off, and also some throttle only on the way back. And I would say overall, guys, if you were on a slight decline or on level ground, you shouldn't have a problem pedaling this bike a few miles. But if you were on any kind of an incline or there were hills, there's no way you could get any good distance out of this bike being around 60 pounds. So just keep that in mind, guys. I just wanted to give you my input on that, and I will see you guys around on the next one. Thanks for watching.